Hello there, you students who are hoping to survive. We have the themes of geography and the zombie apocalypse. And your learning target, your standard here is you want to be able to analyze why populations increase or decrease in various regions throughout the world. An apocalypse is an event involving destruction or damage of an awesome or catastrophic scale. So, your problem here is society has broken down. You are part of a dwindling population of humans left surviving in the world. Now you must decide if it is best for you to stay in your community in the Sheboygan Falls area or in one of the following cities in Europe: Berlin, London, Madrid, or Paris. You choose one of those four, and you are comparing with your current location here. And to complicate matters, there are roving zombies hungry for humans that you must contend with. To help determine where you will settle, read about the themes below and then complete the questions in the tables for your location here and your selected European city. In the end, you will need to decide which city you will go to for your best chance of survival. And here we have the definition of geography, and we're looking at the five themes of geography here: location, place, region, movement, and the human environment interaction. Location does have the two different types here: the absolute location, which is describing the exact position, usually with coordinates, and the relative location, where something exists in relation to another place. As we go down here, you could also click on this link right here to see the zombie characteristics, which are listed on this document. So you can take a look at that. And right in here, you'll see where it's stating your community to choose in your European city. Anywhere where you see a bullet point which is not filled in, that's what is asking for an answer there. So fill in your city on each side here, and then you have to fill in going down through each of the themes. We have location right here. What is your absolute location? If I were choosing a place like Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin, and it says go to Google Maps, I did a search of that, and I simply clicked in an area nearby here. The coordinates show up on the bottom: 44.93 west longitude and 91.41 north latitude. If you also want to do a search, you can just type in a search there: Chippewa Falls latitude and longitude, and it gives you the latitude and longitude there. So that's another way that you can do that and put that in. As you scroll down here, what is your relative location for Chippewa Falls? I might say, well, it's 100 miles east of the Twin Cities, Minneapolis, St. Paul. And then it asks you, does this help you survive or make it harder to stay alive? Provide a reason. And you're going to find that as a common theme throughout as you move down the page. Then it goes to the theme place. And you'll see a spot there where it says definition for the location up above. Make sure you get the definition from up here for location and put it in the spot right here where it says definition as you move down the page here. So work through the themes of location, place, and you'll see here for place, so there's a link for crime rates, some questions on that. Region, regions of the US, regions of the world, what is near you, movement, and then the human environment interaction, looking at Google Maps again, finding out where there are things that could affect whether or not you would survive or not. And as you move down to the bottom, my final decision based on the information you have gathered: do you believe staying in your current location would help you survive, or do you believe you need to move to an alternative location? Explain why. Include evidence for your argument from the information you have gathered. Provide at least 3 legitimate reasons and back them up with your evidence from the chart above. And place your answer here. There are some sentence starters down here. I choose to stay in Sheboygan Falls because reason 1 is that, and then you have to provide evidence. My second reason is that, provide evidence again. And finally, I think that, and you provide evidence for that. So you're taking a look at your 2 locations and which one you think is going to provide your best chance of survival in the world with these zombies. Good luck.